Just a couple blocks away from the Hotel Lucerna is the Mercado Hidalgo. This is a unique market with so many regional authentic items, exotic fruits and vegetables, original Mexican candies, cheeses, piñatas, organic products, and so much more. It's a must-see. This is the Mercado Hidalgo. It's been around for years. It's a cool spot for all sorts of typical artisanal kind of stuff. You got piñatas, you got chile, you got fresh fruit, you have a million things. We're 5 minutes from the border, and look at all the different fruit they have to offer as compared to the United States. Half of the stuff I never see in the supermarkets. It's delicious. And even if it's not all delicious, give it a shot. Try it once, and then you can say you've at least tried it. You can't buy it all, but you can admire it. The world famous habanero peppers. Be really careful when you handle them and when you eat them. They pack a punch. This is the artisanal cheese. You can try any piece that you want. It's not refrigerated because it doesn't have to be. Good cheese doesn't. And where else can you be surrounded by a bunch of piñatas and a huge dinosaur and have a cheese tasting party? I love the randomness and the originality, and actually it's really delicious cheese. Okay, these are Mexican Easter eggs. They are absolutely wonderful. Now the difference between these eggs and the eggs in the United States is you color boiled eggs. Well, these eggs have been emptied, and they fill them with confetti. And on Easter Day, instead of having an Easter egg hunt, the kids smash confetti over each other's heads. And so it's kind of like a confetti party instead of an Easter egg hunt. It's really light, and so they color them. Acá son ciruela seco. Chile seco para hacer mole, preparar mole. Arriba de mí tenemos todos los piñatas. I love it. Look at all the colors around me. Look at the candy. You just don't have this north of the border. It's delicious. It's wonderful. You got to come down here and check it out.